Hey, good morning, everyone. I think we go right on down. This is the daily. I think we hit that spread. Look right here, 6457 quarts. I think that's a beautiful target if you're short, is what I'm going to tell you. The 2 minute is getting ahead of itself, but you saw what happened. Look, there's 1,000 contracts every point or two down. Look. And when it gets near it, they remove it, right? So I think it's the same guy. Look, he just removed it. I think it's the same guy that's selling that's got these bids down here. Now he's got 1,600 at 64.80. It's going to be a good morning to you, everybody. Happy Friday. Reverend Wood, I'm Sage FT. You're watching the live trading desk. We're kicking some boot and snootins. Okay, watching it. I was waiting for another signal on my 10 range here, right? Because it's white on this chart up here. Okay, and then it goes into red. While we have the 1 minute in sell mode, and so we're looking for micro fragments. Let's go to the larger time frame. Okay, watching that, or if we bounce, it's a move into the low to low trend line around the 80s, 90s. Got a massive man bun here. This thing could really drop. 4-hour chart. Okay, let's go to the 1 hour. Man bun, more exaggerated, drawn out. We crushed this buy. We crushed this buy. Now we see that there's supply. Now, okay, not only is this in play, but now we have external liquidity up here that was honored. So the level is 6499 quarts. Okay. Or go back to the daily. 6457. In the very, very short term, right? Because we want to see if it gets back over this level. Because this is the obvious level. I fully understand. Ladies and gentlemen, I fully understand this level. That's where we're at now, right? But what's the threshold on the top side? Okay. That's pretty bearish until it's not, right? Until it's not. That's cool. Okay, so I got a rectangle alert on. I want to know if it goes back in there. Right, I want to know if it goes back into that external liquidity. Okay, we got chirpy chirping. So the over under is 6485. 6485. How do you save templates on TradingView? I think this template, okay. Yeah, I think I saved it, right? Let's try it. Oh, it's a good morning to ya. Absolutely. Happy Friday, everybody. All right, I'm going to show, here's the deal. I'm going to show you how, I'm going to show everyone how I'm using this. It is actually taking me both of these because I don't, they actually have different information on it. All right, let me explain. Okay, so it looks like to me because I've been watching this for a very, very long time. And I'll tell you if we get a signal. I'll tell you if I'm going to trade. You'll hear it, blah, 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 blah. Okay, now, what I understand from my eye is the very, very simple fact that it looks like this information gets delivered in Java packets. Look, see these gaps right here? Sometimes they're rather large, and we haven't had them this morning, okay, because I'm taping this before the market even opens. But the difference is there's no gaps in the Ninja data. Okay, so that's why we're looking at it in two different ways. All right, so now the way that I'm looking at it is after it goes red or green and then it goes white, I'm going to, in context, I'm going to take the next paint bar down here because I have it all programmed in. All right, so now let's test this. Let's go back to 8:35 a.m. Okay, now look, this is confusing, but just understand that we're below the VWAP, blah, 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 blah. Okay, things are actually pointing downwards. Crude oil and gold are pointing upwards. You know how it goes, the normal trajectory. Now, the way that we're looking at it is when it goes from red to white or green to white to the next color, we're going to take the next signal. Now watch this. The next signal's green. Who cares? Short. Short again. Stop right here. Look, real trades. All right. So let's see if we can find another one. All right. Let's just zoom out a little bit. Now that we got the ego out of the way and I bang my chest and let's see if we can find one. Now understand that the context is down. 15-minute, 5-minute, and 2-minute are down in this situation. So we're going to go ahead and look at them. So we need to find the next time that it breaks from from white to red to green or green. All right, so anywhere on the pop-up, right? Anywhere on the pop-up. So let's see what it looks like right here around 5 a.m. Right? Let's go to 5 a.m. Now, I didn't say whether it wins or loses. Here's a signal. It gets stopped out to the tick. Who cares? Move on, right? Now, let's look at one where we would actually look to sell, right? After a big move like this. Let's look at something around 2:30 a.m. Now, remember, oops, editor pause. Let's look at 2:30 a.m. All right. Oh, yeah. Look. So it goes, oh, this is beautiful. This is a perfect trap. Folks, this is beautiful. Watch this. All right. So what we have is we've got a double top, right? And listen, I said it goes white to color. And it doesn't matter which way it goes. Look at these are green and they point down. And so right here around 2:26 a.m., let's see if we get any sort of buy or sell signal in paint. What do we get? Oh my goodness. That's still in white, right? 2:26 is when it turns. Look, a sell. Now let's see if this one's too late. Oh, absolutely it is. Stops out and then runs. Okay, but everybody knows how to re-enter, right? But this is the one that you would take. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm here to share with you. This is the trade that started all of these paint bars off. The first down move after Dum Rev enters long right here. Look, this is where I lost all my money. Okay? Because I'm not looking at the context, the structure. I'm not looking left into the congestion. All right. So I hope that helps. I hope that helps everybody. I know that it helps me to review this stuff. So that's what I'm looking for in the 10 range. Now the way that we use the other charts is very, very simple. If those are all pointing down with sell signals, okay, we're going to want to take the next sell signal, okay, in context. Hope that helps. Remember, fractals are not just one directional. They are omnidirectional. Thank you. Happy Friday, everybody. So now you know what I'm waiting for. Now here's what's really cool. We can check this on any time frame, right? Let's say that we see a 2-minute buy signal coming in pink. If we went white to color on this 2-minute chart, I'm going to take the trade, whatever it is. Okay. Okay, why is it not saving? Okay, now do I have to save this? Save? Um, how do I save that, guys? Ah, lovely. Oh, this. Okay. Oh, now why is it not? Um, I have to save it like this. Wait.
Pink bar, 1-minute chart.
Boom. You guys can. All right. So here's the deal. You can always follow me at TradingView with the _SageFT. I don't publish a whole lot, but follow me. Okay. All right. So this is real easy. This is perfect. Where's the white bars though? It's not on there. Okay. Give me 1 second. I gotta add. Man, that's really complicated to do that. No, it's not. It's just different. Boom. All right, now on the 10 range, we're looking for the next paint bar. And don't forget Apex accounts are 50% off right now. Well, is that a technical term, G? See how I wish it would have painted right there? Because that would have went bink long. Thank you, Joey, for showing me this, by the way. Look at your 1 minute. There's one R. We got 3.5 minutes to the start of the opening bell. This is going to be interesting to see where we lie. Does it show its hand right before or not?
Pink bar, 2-minute chart.
Too big based upon where it is in context for me. It's at the top of a liquidity range on the 1 minute. It's at VPOC.
Pink bar, 10 range chart.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
I'm gonna wait. Oh, it would have hit perfectly. Oh man, it would have hit instantly in 1 second. That's okay. That's okay. I can wait.
Pink bar, 10 range chart.
Order submitted.
That was too slow.
Order canceled.
Too slow, Joe. Too slow. Mm.
Pink bar, 1 minute chart.
Order submitted.
Oh, it already hit like 2 or 3 hour.
Order canceled.
It was a tight one. I can't even read it. Yeah, a 1.5 stop. That's so funny. Load the boat. Empty the boat. Man.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
Blue bar, 2 minute chart.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
Man, I missed that. 2 minutes. 77 is the short. So you're going to start pulling anchor at about 72.50. Ooh, the low is 72.50. Look at how perfect this trade is on the 1 minute.
Order filled.
1,000 at 70.
Order submitted. Target filled.
$400 at 65. Elijah, why is it following the daily loss? Why is the daily loss limit following the profit? Isn't it supposed to be following the drawdown?
Pink bar, 10 range chart.
Order submitted.
Oh, look, before I could even put the order in, it's gone.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order canceled.
Stop sign. One tick, Rick.
Target filled.
See how it changes? Look, look, look. When you use these two together, look, you've got a reversal forming on your 1 minute. Look at your 1 minute perfect three bar pattern. So once you recognize that the 3 bar pattern is in play, right? And I'm watching the tape. Okay, and they're buying, right? They're pulling the offer at the same time. So then you start to see it contagion, but reverse engineer the contagion. Where would it start? Okay, so I just showed everyone. I just showed the whole stream what I was waiting for. How many of you watched and said, is he going to take the long on the pink bar? And then I did, and you're like, holy shit, he did it. I think I see it. Type a Y in the chat. Rewind this video. I show you what I was waiting for. It was very clear. Long or short, it didn't matter. There's your second target. You got the re-entry. No, be careful. See, okay, here's a perfect example. Look right here. Look, look, look. Packets. Look, look, look. Look at the price jump from 80 to 78. Listen, I promise you the price didn't jump from 70 to 80 to 78. Because look right here. Ninja didn't miss a beat because it sends individual orders, not packets. Look, look, look up here. This is what I keep telling people the problem with Thinkorswim. They send it in packets when you get into range, volume, or tick charts. Are you guys seeing this firsthand? See how they connect? They have to connect. There's no price unless they pull unless the spread, listen, unless the spread was 2 points wide right here, which it wasn't because I'm staring at the DOM, this is not right. So we're just using the colors, okay? This is where TradingView and NinjaTrader are separate. I hope that helps. There's still a leg sweep sell that was at 81.50 on the 2 minute chart. You know what's funny is I have I use the 2 minute chart so much. I have it up 3 times. No bullshit. Just like you guys see it. Right here, I have it just to the right of the screen that you see. And then with the same things on it, I have a footprint, 2 minute chart. Same settings. One minute says, sayonara longs. 15 minutes says next paint bar is a sell. 5 minutes says the same thing. Well, or is a trade. I hate to say sell or
Pink
buy.
bar, 10 range chart.
It's not. It doesn't go white to red or white to green. It doesn't go white to red or white to green. See, it's going green to red. Who's got FOMO?
Oh, I get what you're saying. I got it from here, guy. Wink. No, 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 no. Why won't you
See how we
listen to
didn't
me?
take that trade?
Order submitted. Order submitted.
I don't like any of
Order
it.
canceled.
May they do what they do. So I'm gonna eyeball this one. 81.50 is my fake long. 78.50 is my fake entry ad. And my fake stop is at 75.50. My fake first target is 84.50. I'm supposed to be in this trade, but notice that your 10 range didn't change colors. It's still white. It's still white. Against the trend. I'm not in this trade. I'm fictitiously in this trade.
Pink bar,
Look at your
10
15
range
minute
chart.
sell. Sorry. Uh-oh.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Target filled.
You see what I
Order
mean?
canceled.
You see what I mean, guys? Does everybody see what I mean? I forgot to switch accounts. Okay. All right, type a Y in the chat if you just saw exactly what we filmed in the beginning of this stream. See how I waited for it to go from white to green? Goodbye. There's your second target. There's your second target. Let's roll. Oh, wow. You can turn indicator titles on and off on TradingView now. Oh, wow. All right. Tired. Please don't forget that the 15 minutes is short. Please don't think that you're super frickin' man. Catching the bottom. That was a scalp, everybody. That's not hold it until the Lord himself comes back. Next Sunday. Okay. Did you see it though, right? Okay, we're in order block, perk a block. Safely, Joey, everybody was out of their longs. Yeah, buyers have trouble here, folks. They've got some trouble on their hands. There's no doubt about it. See how it didn't give me paint? It didn't give me white into red. It just went green to red. Wow, right into that block. Very nice. I got cotton mouth, so I'm gonna drink something. All right, on your 15 minute, look, your 15 minute is the largest fractal, right? So here's your targets. How do we get in?
Order fill.
Pink bar, 2-minute chart.
Order fill. Order fill. Order canceled. Order submitted.
This is a perfect signal on the 2 with a 58.25 target.
Order submitted.
Your 2-minute went white to red.
Blue
Oh,
bar,
let's-
1 minute chart.
Uh-oh. That means stay short. We got to sell on the 2-minute again. Again. Uh-oh. Let's see if they absorb it or not. My stop is break even +1 because I am not dealing with the rift or Afterton. Either they're going to squeeze the longs or they're not. Let's go. Right now, 58.25 on the 2-minute chart. On the 5-minute chart? Is that which one? Yeah, on the 2-minute chart, right? Oh, but on your way down, you got 64s. On the way down, you got 64s. You have 400 at 65. First target is 62.25 on your 15-minute chart. Look at this. Look at this. Look, look, look. Move the stop down. Bang. All right. When it goes white to red on your 2-minute chart and on your 15-minute chart and on your 5-minute chart, well, 58.25 is a beautiful target for me. I'm locking in 2 points. Unfortunately, only 2 points. There's your 1R on your blue 2-minute. But I'm going for 1R pink. I've already set my mind on it. I've already narrowed my eyes on the target. I'm going. I've already narrowed my eyes on the target. I'm going, folks. I'm probably going to regret it, but here we go. 58.25. Let me show you where that's coming from, though. Okay. Close.
Order filled.
Hey.
Order canceled.
Hey. Hey. Okay. That's it for me. Listen. I told you what I was doing. Okay. I told you what I was doing. I'm done. All right. I'm done. Now, the choices that we have to make are: do we take that risk or do we not? I took that risk. I won. Okay. You can see right there what I just made. That's real. That's real money. Real. Very real. Questions? Now, look. Oops. It resizes itself. Okay. Look. If I'm going to trade on the 2-minute with my paint, where is Where's Jason Driver? Jason Driver, are you watching this? If I'm going to sell this 2-bar, I'm going to make sure there was white before the red. I made sure there was white before the red, and we got rewarded significantly. Now, let's look at 15-minute chart. What are we going to do? We're going to wait to make sure that there's white before the red before we short, right? Where's the 15-minute chart? Oh, suck it. Okay, now. The 5-minute has not fired paint. 1 minute. Let's look at the 1 minute. Okay, see how it's curled over? It didn't fire anything. Nothing. So this paint, you're on your own, right? You're like, well, it changed, blah, blah, blah. It's like, yeah, but. Okay. Now, this is not some hidden indicator. Let me show you. I want to be very clear. I don't know how to show indicators. How do you show what the indicators are on this thing? I don't even know how to see the edges of this thing. I'm sorry. You can reopen a closed window. What? They've thought of it all now. How do I see the borders, guys? No.
Pink bar, 10 range chart.
Oh. Oh my God, I just missed a sell at 48. I can't trade anymore. Okay, look right here. Look how fast that was. Boom. I gotta open up my trading view again. I don't know what it's gonna do. Oh, good. It changed here around 68. And they just slaughtered it. Right? Now look at the 1 minute. Saying, wait, that is a 1 range. 1 M. 1 minute. Careful sellers. Okay, so it says range. How do I change that? So 50 to 75 to 60. 1. How does it say 1 range and then 10
Pink
and then
bar, 10 range chart.
it says 1 minute? That's 1 minute, right? There's no timer on it. I balked at 60-50. Son of a biscuit eating Frenchman. I balked at 64-50 with the, at 60-50. You guys can see my cursor. I balked right there. Oh no. Oh no. That's what I get for balking. See, it's the first turn, right? It's white and then it goes green, but it's the first paint. And it just happened to be right when I was going to sweep the leg. Look, it's perfect. Oh no. Are they accumulating down here now? Yeah, that was a good one. Rage, great job, buddy. Let's go.
Pink bar, 10 range chart.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
No, Phil. Come on now. Joey, do you see that on the 1 minute? That's what a squeeze looks like. Trap is beginning. You guys see it? See how your how do you take the buy and sell buttons off, guys? Oh, right there. Yeah, see how the 1 minute hasn't turned? Like you've got a squeeze going on where like, are they absorbing this? Let's watch, right? So now now the next 10 range could be something to work with. We're gonna find out.
Yellow bar, 10 range chart.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
I'm in the sim. I'm already done for the day. Plus 1500.
Order filled.
Oh, give me a shit, Phil. Okay, 66.75 target. Bang. Printed.
Target filled.
Bang.
Order
There you go.
canceled.
There you go. Eli, can you hit the already at profit target and in sim button, please? I am not giving this 1500 back. You're going to pry that from my cold fucking dead fingers.
Pink bar, 10 range chart.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Target filled. Order canceled.
Okay, next 1 minute, next 1 minute paint is a signal.
Pink bar, 1 minute chart.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
See how on the 1 minute, it's the first paint after, excuse me, after green, white turns green on my trading view. Can you guys see it? Oh, you guys can't see it. So the 1 minute is long because look at right here. Okay, one tick Rick, cancel ads, stops up.
Order canceled.
Free trade. So between the efforts of the super wonder twins, powers, we have found the ultimate. You suck. Don't miss that shit.
Target filled.
Oh, I get what you're saying. I got it from here, guy. Wink. No, 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 no. Why won't you listen to me?
Pink bar, 10 range chart. Blue bar, 1 minute chart. Pink bar, 1 minute chart. Yellow bar, 10 range chart.
Order filled. Order submitted. Target filled.
Now your 15-minute is saying be very careful. There's another 3 points on the 10 range for you. Let's roll. Along the way. Good God. That was a good one. That was a good one. We got the bottom there. You guys see it?
Order canceled.
Your 15-minute actually has a pinprick, above 66s that says, look, be careful. Whoa. Along the way. Good God. Happy Friday, everybody.
Are you sure about that?
How is everyone? I hope everybody's doing well. Jeez. Yeah, it's been good. It's been good. Great job, guys. I think there's another leg. All right, now the 1 minute is back online with the red. Ah!
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Target filled. Order canceled.
If you want these paint bars and you're willing to go on the quest, contact at sageft.com for the quest. These paint bars alone will not make you money. Context and the understanding psychologically is how it works. Yeah, now we buy it. I'm late.
Order submitted.
It turned green. I'm late. Shit, here's the target. Ah. Yeah, I missed it. It turned green right through my where I should have bid. No. Okay. I wait. No, I gotta be long. I gotta be long.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
Ha! Look at that.
Target filled.
All right.
Order canceled.
Blue bar, 1 minute chart.
Joey, it's the proverbial they, them, thou. Yeah, they got him. Yeah. The sweep into the 50s. Yes, they did. Follow green. See what they do with it. Look at the 2R.
Pink bar, 10 range chart.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
No, Phil. No, Phil. Cancel orders.
Order
No, Phil.
canceled.
Yeah, we'll leave them there. It's not the first. It's not the first one,
Order
but it's.
submitted. Order submitted.
They always come back and grab it.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
One tick. One tick off of my ad order. I'm in the sim. I'm already done for the day, guys.
Stop filled. Stop filled.
I'm glad that was in the sim. It was late in the well, the one minute's still bullish, right? I'm gonna give it that. So they probably wicked them right at 63. Yep, and right back up. Yep. That's okay. It's still a good trade. It was late on the 10 range. Stop both of them right at the low. Ha! I'm going to keep the stream going for just a little bit longer, guys. Just a little bit. I don't want to encourage bad trading, bad behavior. Stopped right at the low, though.
Pink bar, 1 minute chart.
Order filled. Order submitted.
They stopped me right at the low. 63.
Order submitted.
In the sim. This would be counter trend. No fill.
Order submitted. Order filled. Target filled. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order filled.
I'm in the simulator. All right, so next paint on the 10 range, long or short, I'm going to take in the sim because we just went white into green or red. So next paint, let's see if it might not paint, right? I do like this double Nile trade push here, though. Come on. I'm in the sim, though, just to be clear. Friday, I'm plus 1,500. In the PAs, I'm not messing with anything. Your delta's going through the roof. Let's see if they attract a little bit of buying here against the selling. Or not. All right, now the next 2-minute paint is the signal, is a signal. Preferably it goes with the trajectory here.
Target filled.
There you go. There we go. Yeah, I like it. The question is, how long does that kind of thing last? The delta's still moving up.
Target filled.
Pink bar, 2-minute chart.
Order filled. Order submitted. Target filled. Order canceled.
Did you guys see it in the 2 minute? 84.20, 82.25 is the target.
Order submitted.
Last trade. It's been a good day for me. I love the dirty things you do. I have control of you. I love the way you look at me. I love the way you smack my ass. Dirty things you do. And let's find the name of that indicator while we're waiting for this. I'm not trying to hide anything. I don't know how to show you. Okay, indicators. ECGO. Okay, Joey has it all in Discord. Okay.
Pink bar, 10 range chart.
Joey, do you see it right here? I don't know if it's going to win or not. I'm not real tuned into the context, but I'm taking the signals. You woken up the demon in me. Get up, come on, get down with the sickness.
Blue bar, 1 minute chart.
This may be the one that loses. I like it. Trade's not over yet, boys. Wow, now the world. Ooh, right into a FBG. 10 range is not valid short because it didn't turn white. That's going to be one of the first losses of the paint today. Luckily, it's in the simulator. 10 range shifted, but did not send a signal.
Pink bar, 1 minute chart.
So if we get a paint bar on the 5 minute, it possible sell. Ooh, somebody came in and bought. They're leaning on it. Look at them. The delta's going the other way, though. So let's see who wins. The last trade for me, and I remind everyone, this is in the simulator, so I'm testing, right? Not even in an eval. Simulated only because I did 1,500 this morning in the PAs. The stream will shift over to x.com. You can find me at _SageFT.
Stop filled.
That's going to do it for me, everyone. I'm going to go have breakfast with the wife. I'll see you Sunday night review and rev up. Do not miss that. We're really starting to catch some traction. We're going to put these charts, sans my voice, over on X. Thanks, everybody.